Over here, you can see that I have a photo right here, which is mostly gray. And let's say what I want to do is I want to make this picture a bit more colorful. So in that case, what you can do is you can use the Colorize Photo option from under Enhance right here. So I'm in expert mode right now, and then if I were to go to Enhance, then here you can see Colorize Photo is an option. And if I were to click on this, then what happens is that you can see that it is generating out a preview of how this would actually look. It is loading out the element right here, and here you can see the different option for colorizing right here. You can go around and choose different colorize options, and then you can see that it is more yellowish. You want to make it more bluish, then you can choose around this option right here, just like this. You can go around and choose around something else over here like greenish and so forth. And right now it is using the auto mode, and if I were to go around over here, then you can use the manual mode over here as well, as you can see. So there's different things, so you can go around and select out portions right here, as you can see. So you can go around and select out the portions right here, just like this, that you may want to colorize out. And then what happens is that you can go around and then utilize out the tools right here. You can subtract it, use the quick selection to subtract, and use the droplet tool right here, just like this. And then just like this, you can go around and add in drops right here, and then select out a color right here, just like this, and then work around with this, as you can see. So you can go around onto this droplet right here and select out a color right here, just like this, and that color is applied right here. You can go around to this droplet right here, select out a color from over here, just like this, and then that color will be applied. And you can see that more color is added onto the area where there were no color before, just like this. So you can go around over here and then select out a color range of your choice right here, just like this, and apply that out. And you can see that the end result is immediately more colorful. Let me just go around, and let's say I'm going to go around over here, apply out let's say orange color right here, and this is what you have. And you can see the before and after over here as well. You can see that the end result is much more vibrant, and you can also enable and disable the droplets right here. So once everything is okay, you can go around and press OK right here, and the colorizing effect will be applied, and the once dull photo is now more colorful, as you can see, just like this. So that is how you can use the Colorize Photo effect inside of Adobe Photoshop Elements. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.